In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cursor being stuck at the very top of a document in Microsoft Word. Sometimes, when you open a Word document, you might notice that your cursor is stuck at the very top of the page, preventing you from typing or editing anywhere else. This issue can be caused by hidden formatting, table placements, or layout settings, and it can be frustrating if you're trying to work efficiently. Fortunately, there are several easy ways to resolve this problem. To begin, check if there are any objects, such as headers, images, or tables, occupying the top of your document. If an object is placed at the top margin, it can block the cursor from moving freely. Try clicking below the object or adjusting its position to create space for typing. You can also press the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate past the object and move the cursor where you want it. Another common cause is the presence of hidden formatting or paragraph marks at the beginning of the document. To reveal these, go to the Home tab and click on the Show Hide Paragraph button in the Paragraph group. This will display all hidden characters, such as paragraph breaks, section breaks, or page breaks. If you see unnecessary breaks at the top, delete them, and your cursor should move freely again. Additionally, check the layout and margins of your document. Go to the Layout tab and review the top margin settings. Extremely small or negative margins can sometimes cause the cursor to appear stuck at the top. Adjust the top margin to a standard value, such as 1 inch, to give yourself space for typing. If your cursor is still not responding, try switching between Print Layout and Draft View. Go to the View tab and select Draft View to see if the cursor moves normally. Then switch back to Print Layout. This can refresh the document's display and often resolves cursor placement issues. Finally, closing and reopening Word or restarting your computer can fix temporary glitches that may prevent the cursor from moving. By following these steps, you can quickly fix a cursor that is stuck at the very top of a Microsoft Word document and continue working without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.